Hello, Disney enthusiasts. It's Michele with Disney Uncorked. Today, we're talking about something for all the Disney lovers out there who want to enjoy the magic of the parks, but aren't too fond of intense rides and attractions. Whether you're not a big fan of drops, fast speeds, or twists and turns, this list is for you. I'm sharing my top Disney World rides and attractions for people who hate rides and attractions. So let's dive in and make sure no one misses out on the fun. Confession time. I hate intense rides. Actually, I hate most rides. Hate doesn't even come close to being the correct word. It's more than hate. I physically get ill thinking about going on certain rides. Even just the thought of Pirates of the Caribbean can bring me to tears. Laugh if you will. I know there are people out there just like me, and this video is for you, my kindred friends. Starting things off, the PeopleMover. I know. This is supposed to be a relaxing, fun break at the park, but to put things into perspective for you, this is as intense of a ride as I can handle. It's meant to be a breezy tour through Tomorrowland with fantastic views of the park. Even though it doesn't have any drops, it has a few fast turns, and a portion of the trip is in pitch black, traveling under Space Mountain where you can hear all the people screaming. I will admit, the breeze is lovely, but I'd rather cool down in a gift shop. Spaceship Earth. Epcot's iconic Spaceship Earth may look intimidating from the outside, but don't worry, it's only the first time you ride it. This is a slow, dark ride through time that tells a story of human communication from Stone Age to today. It's a fairly smooth ride, educational, and perfect for those who want something a bit more relaxed. Note, towards the end of the ride, it will gently spin and recline your cab to make its way back to home base. But there's a fun interactive activity on the screen to distract you. Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Here we have a true Disney classic. This isn't a thrill ride, but it moves, so it counts, right? It's a slow-moving theater experience that takes you through the history of technology and progress, all while seated in a rotating theater. No fast movements here, just good old-fashioned Disney storytelling. Plus, it's a great way to escape the Florida heat. Next is Journey into Imagination with Figment. If you're up for a quirky ride with no scares, Journey into Imagination is all about creativity, imagination, and a lovable purple dragon named Figment. It's whimsical and lighthearted, making it a great choice for kids and adults alike who want to stay firmly in fun mode without any thrills. Be forewarned, if songs get stuck in your head, you might want to skip this one at all cost. Over in Epcot, hop aboard Living with the Land. This boat ride is as gentle as they come, floating through scenes that teach you all about agriculture and sustainability. It might sound boring on the surface, but no. This peaceful vibe and educational elements make this ride a star in my book for those of us who like to keep things mellow. In the Mexican Pavilion at Epcot, the Gran Fiesta Tour is a delightful boat ride through Mexican scenery with the fun antics of Donald Duck and friends. It's a smooth, scenic experience with catchy music and no scares at all. Plus, La Cava del Tequila is inside the same pavilion, so bonus points! Another favorite at Epcot is The Seas with Nemo and Friends. This is a slow-moving journey under the sea with characters from Finding Nemo. You'll glide past colorful coral reefs and sea creatures without a worry in the world. Plus, it ends in an aquarium, so you can explore even more once the ride is over. Heading back over to the Magic Kingdom, we dive under the sea with Ariel and friends on this enchanting journey. This gentle, colorful ride tells a story of the Little Mermaid, with classic songs and charming animatronics bring it all to life. You'll sit in a clamshell and float through scenes filled with the beloved characters, cheerful music, and vibrant underwater seas. It's a lighthearted, immersive experience without any thrills, perfect for fans of the classic Disney story. If you're looking for a spooky but not scary experience, the Haunted Mansion is just the thing. This iconic dark ride takes you through a haunted manor filled with playful ghosts and eerie effects. But it's all done with Disney's signature humor and charm. With slow-moving doom buggies, this is more about atmosphere and storytelling than thrills, making it a great choice if you want a touch of mystery without any jumps or jolts. Note, just like with Spaceship Earth, towards the end of the ride, it will gently spin and recline your cab to make its way back to the home base. Time to go on a safari? Kilimanjaro Safaris at Animal Kingdom is a must-do for nature lovers. While it technically is a ride, it's really more of a guided tour through expansive savannas where you'll see giraffes, lions, elephants, and more. It's adventurous without being scary, and the thrill comes from spotting wildlife. This is one of my absolute faves. If you like some laughs with your adventure, hop on the Jungle Cruise at Magic Kingdom. It offers a laid-back boat tour through exotic rivers from around the world, led by humorous skippers with plenty of corny jokes. You'll pass by animatronic animals, scenic landscapes, and even a few surprises along the way. It's fun, lighthearted, and totally thrill-free. Perfect for those who want a gentle adventure with lots of laughs. Another peaceful ride is the NaVi River Journey at Animal Kingdom. This journey takes you through the bioluminescent world of Pandora. The gentle boat ride features glowing plants, tranquil music, and an unforgettable encounter with the shaman of songs. It's serene and visually stunning. No drops or scares here. And topping my list is a ride that's as classic as they come. It's a Small World. This gentle boat ride takes you through vibrant scenes filled with singing dolls from around the globe. Sure, the song might get stuck in your head, but you can't deny it's a joyful, relaxing ride that's perfect for anyone wanting to avoid thrills while still immersing themselves in the true meaning of the original Disney mission. And there you have it, friends, my top Disney rides and attractions for people who hate rides and attractions. Just because you're not a fan of fast or intense rides doesn't mean you have to miss out on all the fun. Whether you're floating through Pandora or relaxing with some animatronic animals, Disney has something for everyone. If you've enjoyed this list, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Disney Uncorked for more tips, tricks, and magic from Walt Disney World. Let me know in your comments if there's a ride you think should have made the list. Until next time, cheers to never stepping inside the Tower of Terror.